Good morning, all. My name is Shivam Gupta, and I am pursuing Master of Physical Education from Lovely Professional University. Today, this is my assignment. I have to make a video on Johnson basketball skill test, and my registration number is 12116618. This assignment, I'm going to submit it to Dr. Kiran ma'am. So, this is our topic: Johnson basketball ability skill test. Okay, so this test is proposed by L. William Johnson, and he proposed this test when he was doing masters, uh, and he proposed this test as a thesis for his masters, and he proposed it in 1934. The reliability and validity of this test is, as you can see, 0.89 and 0.88. I have referenced this from ML Kamlesh book. We have three test items in this test. First is field goal speed test. Second is basketball throw for accuracy. Third is dribble test, we can say. The equipments which we are required for this ability test is basketballs, stopwatch because we have to record the time, a ball, marking tape, whistle, basketball court, hurdles or chair. These are the requirements which we have to be there. And now the first test item is field goal speed test. So what we will do in a field goal speed test, as you can see here, there is an individual subject who are performing this test. As you are looking into the image, it is the same as the image. We have to shoot our ball into the basket. We will give 30 seconds. Our tester will watch the time, record the time for 30 seconds. In 30 seconds, he will do the basket and the correct basket. He can stand anywhere from the on the basketball court, on the third pointer line, on the side 2 pointer line, on just down the or he can just stand there just down the basketball ring. Okay, and he have to just shoot the ball, basket it, and the correct basket count. Okay, one basket equals to 1 point. Okay, we will count the baskets and we will measure the score. Second is basketball throw for accuracy. So what we have to perform in this basketball throw for accuracy, it is like a shooting game which we have to perform, which we have to do it perfectly. We have two target areas like a rectangular and a circle. Okay, so here you can see a rectangular. The measurements of this rectangular target area is, the smaller one target area is 20" by 10". Okay, so the length and width is 20", width is 10". The second rectangular is 40" by 25". The third rectangular is 60" by 40". Okay, and this rectangle we have to mark it on the wall, and it should be 14" from the ground. Its height should be on the before its height should be 14" from the ground. And this is our circular target area which we use, which we also can use. Okay, so it should be 36" from the ground, on the height of 36" from the ground. First, this smaller circular is 9" radius. Okay, we will measure a 9" radius and we will mark a circle. This is smaller one circle. Okay, then we will mark a 19" circle, and then we will mark the 29" circle. This is the largest one circle. Okay, so both the scores are same. You can either use this circular target area or either you can use this rectangular target area. Okay, so for both of these, this smaller one is 3-pointer, this circle is smaller one is also 3-pointer, then the second circle is 2-pointer, and the largest one circle is the 1-pointer. Okay, same as here, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. Okay, you have to throw the ball in the area. Okay, so there are two passes that you can use in these target area: baseball pass first, second is hook pass. These you can see, he is performing a baseball pass and she is performing a hook pass. You can either try it both. Okay, so in this you will get 10 trials. This is already written here. This you will get 10 trials, and from the distance of 40 feet. Okay, so from the target area you have to stand uh, in front of the target area away from the 40 feet. Okay, we have to measure this 40 feet and you will stand there. Okay, so the third test item is dribble. Okay, dribble test. What is dribble test? We will understand this dribble test by this diagram. You can understand this by this. Okay, so this is our 6 feet wide starting and finish line. Both are the same. Okay, starting and finish line both are the same. We have to start it from here, from the first point, 0 point here, and this is our ninth point. Okay, so this 6 feet wide. From the starting line we have four hurdles. Okay, so first hurdle will be to 12 feet away from the starting line. This distance is, which you can see from my marker, red marker, that this distance is 12 feet away. Okay, so first hurdle, then the second hurdle will be 6 feet, and then the third hurdle will be 6 feet, and the fourth hurdle will be also 6 feet away. Okay, so first hurdle distance between the starting line and first hurdle is 12 feet, then 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 feet. Okay, we have four hurdles. Okay, four hurdles. We can also use chairs. Okay, we just need a hurdle. Okay, around that we can dribble. Okay, so we have to go like this. Like you can see my red cursor. From 0 point, we will start from 0 point to 1, then from 1 to 2, then 3, then fourth, then fifth. Then we will turn around from here, fifth to sixth, then seventh, then eighth, then ninth. And if an individual subject have more time that the time watcher has not stopped him, so he can again turn around from here, and again he can go for the 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. As the timer said stop, then each obstacle have one mark. If you have gone start from here and gone pass it from here, so you will get one point. We can also say it zones. Okay, with including one or this side and this side, we will say it as zones. Okay, so when he will pass it fourth point and fifth point, this includes a zone. Okay, so these are the dribble tests that you have to perform. Okay, and here you will the here is the finish line. There is an image which we can see for dribble test. Although there are more than four hurdles, but we can get an idea by this image that how a circle, how a dribble, or how a hurdle uh, we have to um, set that a dribble where an individual can perform it, a dribble test on it. Okay, so that is also the same. The score is equal to the number of zones covered in say 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, we will count 30 seconds or watch in our stopwatch, and he will get 30 seconds. You have to just pass the hurdles by dribbling each. Okay, the examinee gets 1 point on crossing each obstacles. I have already told you that he will get 1 marks for each. And the final score for this test, Johnson basketball skill test, the final score will be the add of all the subjects. We will add the all the scores of individual subject. We will add, summarize it, and the whole score will be the final score for the Johnson basketball skill test. Thank you.